Mr. Stout, art teacher at Great Oaks Elementary. I have my #1 assistant with me, Brooke. Today, we are going to be making a 3D origami fox. So, we'll see you over at the table.
Okay, artists, here we are back at the art table. Hey, I'm going to begin with the end in mind here, and I'm going to show you what our fox is going to look like. You can see he's got 2 ears, a face, and a pretty cool tail. It even sits up. Oh yeah. So now you know what it's going to look like when we're done. Okay, so let's start. Just like last week, artists, we have a rectangle. We need to turn this rectangle into a square. Here's how we did that. We're gonna fold a triangle. And after we fold this triangle, we're going to take something to mark with. I'm using a Sharpie. You can use whatever you have around the house. I'm going to draw a vertical line right here on this edge. And that's going to show me where to cut. So now when I open it up, I have 2 triangles. I have this vertical line. I know where to cut. I'm going to make that cut, being super safe with my scissors. Oh yes. Okay, done with my marker, done with my scissors. I'm going to put those out of the way. Now I have my square. Brooke has her square too. So we're going to take that square. We already have a fold there. We're going to make that triangle again. We're going to fold this triangle in half. Down the middle, like this. So on last week's crawfish origami, we had a lot of different things, folds I should say, going to the middle of our paper. Today is no different. So now that I have my triangle divided into 2 smaller triangles, I'm going to take the right edge and I'm going to fold it up like that to the middle fold. It looks like that. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Oh my gosh, balanced, symmetrical, and congruent. Okay, let me show you my folds that I have so far. I got a fold going up to the top of that triangle. I got a fold going up to the top of that triangle. Now, I'm going to fold it like opposite fold. Let me show you what that looks like. It'll look like that if you set it up. It'll look like that. Excellent. Okay. Another triangle just keeps getting smaller. So there's one fold in most origami that makes that paper look like whatever you're folding. So you'll see that I folded it over. Now when I open this up, super slowly, you'll see that I now have 2 ears and a fox face. Let's see Brooke's fox. Let's see it up here. All right. We got to do an accordion fold, a fan fold back here for the tail. That's going to help our fox stand up. So I'm going to fold it forward. And then give myself a little fold backward. Let me show you what that looks like. So now when I open it up and put it down, it looks like that. Hey there, I'm a 3D origami fox. I bet you can't guess. What does the fox say? Wiggy, 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 wiggy. Wiggy, 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 wiggy. All right, I hope you guys had fun folding with us. Remember, stay art smart.